How to fix disabled account cannot be contacted in Instagram. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To fix the issue of your account not being able to contact, what you can do is you can actually reach out to the help and support of Instagram first and foremost. In order to do so, you can open up a preferred browser and search for Instagram support. Then click on Instagram Help Center or directly tap on the Contact Us button. Once you are in the Help Center of your Instagram, you can browse through similar articles of your issue, or you can tap on the search icon to search for disabled account. Then click on the first option. Now right here, if you have any of the issue regarding it, you can just go ahead and tap on the login issue or tap on the community guidelines. If not, just tap on the no option and select on other. In here, you can type in how you cannot be contacted through the disabled account, or you cannot contact to a particular person. Then tap on the submit button, after which the Instagram help and support will get back to you with necessary solution. This has brought us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.